Hi, let me show you an induction pot from Royal Catering. This particular model has a 36-liter capacity and it's made of high-grade stainless steel. So it is pure restaurant quality stainless steel. Really solid. So let me just go through some of the details on it. So starting from the top, you have a lid with a metal handle on it, and that produces a really tight fit to avoid any spillage. Talking about spillage, the flared edges prevent from dripping, at least at some point. You also get stainless steel handles, whereas one advice there, they may get really hot during service. So always use two hands and use mittens or a kitchen rag in order to lift it up. Also very important is the base, which is a sandwich construction. So it means there's several layers of aluminium and stainless steel, so it means it's really heavy and it will conduct the heat really well. If you're looking for a pot of this size, well, with the purpose of doing stock, soups or sauces, just have a look at the website. There's a whole range of these pots in different sizes, ranging up to 98 liters, so you may find the collection that you need for your kitchen. Each and every one comes with a 3 years warranty, so it means, well, the producer is pretty sure that the thing is solid. So when you order this one, it will come also in a really sturdy packaging, just like this one, with a really cool feature in it. Meaning the lid comes in a separate cardboard, so even if it does end up moving around in transport, you won't get any scratches on it, which is important, especially on the first day when you take it out of the box. All right, so if you found this informative, just leave me a comment in the comment section. Let me know what other equipment I can test for you, and I'll do it. I thank you guys very much for watching, and I see you next time.